Jonah, why are you so handsome? Jonah, why you have that swag? Wait, Jonah, why you got too many personality? Jonah, Grandma gave you 20 for your birthday. What you gonna say? Jonah, why do you have the same birthday as Xavier? Xavier, why are you so cute?
Great!
Xavier, Grandma gave you the 20. What are you gonna say? Thanks. Xavier, who do you look like?
No.
Happy birthday, guys. Happy birthday. I love you.